Welcome back to my channel where I explore the best way to make money online. My name is Frank Chanda, the owner of the WiFiAcademy.com. Today we are diving into a match talk about platform GoldenClix. I will compare it to affiliate marketing and stick around to know which one is the best platform for you to make money online. Before I start, please like this video to help boost the YouTube algorithm so many people can find this video, and it will motivate me to make more videos like this and help you to make money online. So what exactly is GoldenClix? GoldenClix is a pay-to-click website where you get paid to click on ads, completing offer, and perform small tasks. It is straightforward. You sign up, log in, and start clicking on advertisement to earn a few cents per click. But it is worth your time. Let's take a close look on some of the features and what you can expect. First, let's talk about the user interface. The dashboard is quite simple and easy to navigate. You have a section to click, add, complete offer, and referring friends. GoldenClix also offers various methods to cash out your earnings, such as PayPal, gift card, which is quite convenient. However, simplicity doesn't always mean efficiency. While the process is easy, the earnings are minimal. On the average, you can earn a fraction of a cent per ad click. To put it in perspective, you will need to click hundreds of ads just to make $1. Let's talk time investment. With GoldenClix, you'll find yourself spending a significant amount of time clicking ads. Even if you are dedicated, the returns are incredibly low. For instance, you might spend hours clicking and only end up with few dollars at the end of the day. Now there are another earning opportunities on GoldenClix like completing survey and tasks, which can pay a bit more, but those tasks can be tedious and often require you to provide a lot of personal information, which might not be ideal for everyone. Another aspect is the overall. Here you can find various tasks such as signing up for services or downloading apps. Those offers can pay more than simple ad clicks, but they often come with a string attached like subscription or extensive personal data sharing. So in summary, while GoldenClix is a legitimate platform and does pay, the earnings are quite low and it requires a significant time investment. It is not exactly a path to financial freedom. Now let's compare this to affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commission by promoting products and services. The key difference here is the earning potential. Instead of earning cents per click, you can earn substantial commission per sale or lead. For example, if you promote a product that pays $50 commission per sale, just a few sales, you can significantly out-earn what you earn on GoldenClix in the same amount of time. Another major advantage of affiliate marketing is the scalability. You can create content once, like a blog post or a video, and it can generate income for years to come. This is a form of passive income where your initial effort continue to pay off long after the work is done. Building a niche website might sound daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. You can focus on a specific topic, create valuable content, and recommend relevant products. Over time, as you build traffic, your earnings grow exponentially. And here is where I can help you out by offering my 7-day affiliate bootcamp, which guides you step by step to building your own niche website and earn affiliate commissions. This training covers everything from choosing a profitable niche to creating content that converts to drive traffic to your site. Click the link in the description to sign up for my free 7-day affiliate bootcamp. Learn how to build a niche website, attract traffic, and earn commissions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to make money online.